Give me only 3 minutes and I will show you how to create powerful animated image design. If you can grab Banrkit now, you will be able to start your own animated design studio agency today. We have been in the animated designs field for years and we tried and tested all the methods out there, but this is for sure the easiest and fastest way to create powerful animated image design. Check out the results that I got. Beautiful attention-grabbing animated designs made with Banrkit. Done in just seconds with hundreds of templates after starting to use this brand new cloud-based software. So create your animated design in minutes with amazing results. And sell your designs on Fiverr to earn hundreds of dollars. Amazing, right? Well, the problem is that in order to create powerful animated image design you have to stop wasting your money on unprofitable ads. Many entrepreneurs already spend money on ads, but don't advertise with animated image ads. I'll tell you right from the start that we have an unfair advantage. Now introducing Banrkit. Here's what you will have to do in order to create powerful animated image design. Choose your template, edit, animate and export. Then download it in the format you choose. Voila! So become our next animated design success story. And you will start your own animated design studio agency today and sell animated image ads quickly and easy. Just imagine being able to achieve all this without having to stop wasting your money on unprofitable ads. Can you imagine that? Do you want to make it a reality? Now here is the deal. I don't want you to struggle, suffer and fail to try to do this manually. I'm offering all that you need in order to create powerful animated image design on a silver platter. All I ask in return is to send us an email with your success story. This is the most important thing for us to see you succeed. Because of that, you won't have to pay $500, not even $300. For only a fraction of that. During this launch, you can get Banrkit for a ridiculously low one-time fee price and finally create powerful animated image design. Please note, the longer this is on the marketplace, the higher the price is going to be. In fact, the one-time fee price you are seeing right now, it's the lowest price it will even be and it's increasing very soon to a monthly subscription. So here is what I want you to do. Don't refresh the page and don't bookmark it either. Go ahead and click the Buy Now button below and join the hundreds of successful Banrkit members. After the launch ends, the price will increase significantly, but heck, even at $500. This would be a seriously good investment. You would get your money back in no time. I'm completely confident that Banrkit is exactly what you need to finally create powerful animated image design. In fact, I'm so confident that I'm going to make this a complete risk-free decision for you. I will offer you my "this will work for you too, no questions asked" 30 days money back guarantee. So there is absolutely no risk for you. So click the Buy Now button below and join the Banrkit members. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you about the bonus. Because I want anybody to be able to profit from the power of Banrkit, even the beginners. I will give you at no charge our social media marketing made simple ebook. Throughout this book, we will be referring to the concept of brand loyalty. It is an appropriate goal of many businesses, and with it will come sales and engagement. To reach brand loyalty, you must first have brand awareness and recognition. This is where social media marketing comes in. This ebook alone costs $47, but today you get it for free. This is a complete no-brainer offer. Just imagine that 1 week from now, starting your own animated design studio agency today and making thousands of dollars. Banrkit is an unfair advantage. That's why a ton of top animated designs veterans begged us not to release this to the public. This cloud-based software lowers the playing field. Now anybody can create powerful animated image design without. Stop wasting your money on unprofitable ads. Now, do you want to make that a reality? If so, what are you going to do? Keep doing what you've been doing. Keep getting the results you've been getting. Are you ready to take the shortcut? If so, click the Buy Now button below and profit from this crazy low discounted price and secure your spot right now. I look forward to seeing you inside, in the members area.